I want to record a video. In previous video I can create a reel. Now connect to Canva with our account, so you can make reel. Click on create a connection, so you can generating a bulk reel. Click on save, and now it is opening. So I need to authorize our ID with our account. Click on allow. It is still loading. Okay, it is still loading. This is for design. We need to choose our which one we can choose. So anything worth having, there are a bulk. So we need to check our design. Bulk, anything worth having. Okay, I don't know which one. Just choose that, and the vertical format, and the page will be from a Google Sheet, and I simply drag IDA, just save that. Then we update our row. Click on choose account. I simply choose my account, and we choose our spreadsheet ID. Okay, Canva video. Canva video. And click on a row number and 3. Spreadsheet ID Canva video, and sheet 1, row number, table content header. Yes, but it is give us error. Let's refresh this. Map drive Canva video, sheet 1, and row number, table content header. Just save it and go to YouTube. And we simply need to connect our account. Let's click on add, and I guide you also how can you connect that. Click on here, click on yes, click on sign in with Google. So our Google account is loading. We simply need to connect our Google account. So let's choose our account. Which one is? Okay, yes, this one. Let's choose that. Choose that again. Click on continue. Click on continue. Click on select all. Click on continue. Now our account is successfully connected. Title will be author. Okay, it can be export or design. Public, private, status and scheduling public, and this one will be caption. No, private, status and scheduling public, category education. Just save that. Same for Instagram. Let's choose that account, and so let's choose our account. This is the page, and this is the live tips, and this is our account, Instagram business account connected to our puja page, and this is the file URL from here, and just save it. Where is the Google Sheet? Is not found. So I think our Google Sheet have any problem. Let's choose this one. Four zero three permission denied. The color doesn't have the permission. What is the problem? Let's choose this, and the door number, and we got again this error. Click on a no, click on a yes. Let's connect this again. If the Google Sheet have a problem, click on a delete module. I think this have also. Okay, go to Sasikansa. Let's choose our account. The call name is called Canva. Called Canva video, and raw number to do everything is fine. Click on a save. Canva video. Just save that. Let's choose this account. I think we need to reconnect. I think it is connected or not. Sasikansa table content view operator. Click on export design. Sasikansa table content header, yes. Click on add. Again I send over to Google. I think this account have some issues. Let's choose our account. Click on continue. What is this problem, man? Okay, it's saved now. Let's click on everyday. Just save it. Click on activate scenario. Just save it. Just save it. Click on run once. Okay, invalid. Let's see the error. Unable to process and should be 200. We got error again. Canva video. Okay, let's see, open. I have got a big problem, brother. I need to create 3 sheets with sheet name Canva video 1, 2 and 3 and simply rename it and then run it. I make 3 of this and let's fix this error again. See to do, just save it. Click on run this minutes only and see the output. Unable to process runs. Click on A to Z, column runs. Just save it. Just click on run this module only. Okay. Let's choose another account, this account. So I can connect this now and just save it. Okay, bye. We meet in